one of the important parts before removing the bumper will be undoing these two screws. You'll be able to do it with the lining on and with the wheel on by bending the lining and using a longer extension to undo these two bolts. This bumper has some locking tabs, that one and the other one, so don't pull on it. Make sure that you slide it down and you're after that able to take the bumper out. I think that here we have the connectors for the parking sensors.